Welcome back to the channel, guys. Gwan Tours. Here we are at Bar Street. As I said before, I did a little one a minute ago and it was everything was closed, so let's go down here now. Let's have a quick look, see what's open, see what's going in.
See those prices.
Let's see what prices they've got this year then. So, nice little salt and sweet place there. This one here, definitely a little Holland place. Hello. And there you got the Red Lion. No prices. Oh, okay, you got the price on the outside on that one, so you can see. The old street sellers there, a bit strange.
This one's quite pricey.
Yeah. That's a nice luxury one. That's a luxury.
Hello.
How are you? You okay?
Hello guys.
This guy, you own two businesses here, don't you?
Yes. This one and another one down the street.
So he's the rich man taking over Rhodes nowadays.
I'm trying.
Good man.
Maybe one day,
See you tomorrow for the football, yeah? Whoa, what did you get? Whoa, not bad. But this one is, I don't see the name of this one. Oh, okay, 21. So it's 21. This one's Big Brother. Very nice, and then you've got the Waka. We was in here just a minute ago, had one big quick beer. This one's not too bad price. Right about, I think it was €5 for a beer. Here's my brother here. Cheers, brother. Everyone loving it. Of course. So, more bars, new experience. Yeah, everyone loving it. Good young crowd here.
Back again?
Yeah.
No drinks.
No, we have to keep working. Yeah. Oh, sorry.
You're a vlogger?
Yeah, vloggers.
Hello, everybody on your vlog.
Gwan Tours, yeah?
Yeah, thank you, bro. Have a nice evening.
Same to you, yeah? So you got moon, blue moon. Looks like it's got two sides to it. Excuse me. Sorry. Turkish. Pardon?
Where from?
Oh, England.
What is this TV channel?
Oh, Gwan Tours. Gwan Tours.
Hello.
BBC.
Oh, no, we're good.
Thank you, though.
Yeah.
We just had a good drink in here as well. Got good drinks in there. Hey, brother. A lot more busy now, as you can see. We came down a bit earlier on. Wasn't busy at all. Now it's like Ramo. Here's why I'm really busy. Everybody having a good time. So this is the guy's upper bar right here. So he's got one at the beginning, one at the back. Everyone enjoying themselves. Squeeze bar here. So very nice. Everyone pumping out the tunes. I have to keep speaking, but yeah. This one's a bit more like a restaurant bar. A bit more quieter. Yeah, it's got sports on. And here we go. A nice little boomerang bar here. On this side. Okay, got a little live show on this one. and then you're back to the sex shows. So yeah, that's a quick walk down Bar Street. Let's see how long. I might keep it going just for a second, because I think we're going to go take a right, see what's going up the road quickly.
Yeah.
But yeah, quite a small little strip actually, to be fair. Quite a small strip. A lot of bars. As you can see, the guys in the strip bars don't want you filming the people outside the strip bars, because little dirty girties come over from England and they don't want to be seen. They don't want their mummies to see what they actually doing.
Yeah, you've got to save
In
the
Rhodes.
privacies as well, because you don't know who those girls are.
Well,
Have a bit of anonymity.
yeah, I guess so. But yeah, nice little hotel. They had a little live band out here a little bit earlier on.
Bit of karaoke.
No, it's not karaoke, it's a live band.
Oh, was it? Oh,
Yeah, the drums, everything, yeah. And they've got this little pool next to it as well. So, yeah, very nice. Let's take a walk up here. As you can see, very nice little bar. But yeah. So what's the time to be there? Coming up for 12? So yeah, it's just coming up for 12 o'clock now. So you can see when I walked down there earlier on, I can't remember the time if I'm honest with you. But yeah, it's not busy. Much more busier now.
Hadde jeg hatt mulighet, så hadde jeg styrt musikken, men
So you can have a little street here, but everything is closed. If I'm honest, I don't really know the place too well. A little cocktail bar coming up on the left. Gorillas. The other side. So yeah, gorillas. Everything a bit more quiet on this side. Everyone just relaxing, enjoying their food. Very nice little restaurant, this one. I like all the restaurants there, putting out all their green stuff at the moment, all their little plants and that. Looks really cool, don't they?
Yeah,
Restaurants with all the little plants and that. All looking really cool. Alright, let's go. I think we're going to walk straight ahead. I'm going to keep going. But yeah, lovely little restaurant here. That's it, not packed. This one's rammed. Compared to all the rest of them. And this one reminds me, really reminds me of the Greek restaurants that we've seen in Zante. Quite a lot of them look a bit like this one. But yeah. So what we're coming up to, Meat Street. There's a little restaurant on the left as well. My first time here, so yeah, I don't pretend that I know anything, if I'm honest with you. What I'm seeing is for the first time. Piccadilly, look at that. But yeah, for what I'm seeing, it's the first time. As you're seeing it, if it's your first time seeing Rhodes. Let's go up here, I guess. Have a little see. Have a little restaurant again, that's the Meat Street. Yeah, not pumping music up here, a lot of like relaxed, chilled vibe. Everyone eating their food. Check this little place out. Very nice. Very pretty. Everyone just enjoying their food. Yeah. A nice big square over there as well. Yeah, very nice. Very nice little place that bit there.
Nice little pink rose one.
They're all really nice along this part. Dream cream. Nice ice cream. So a lot different than Falaraki. More at the end up there as well. But yeah, a lot different than Falaraki. Falaraki, more of the party. I think I do prefer areas a bit like this where you've got a bit of the old with the new.
Yeah.
So you can switch between them both. You can go down Party Road just a minute ago. But you can come up here for your dinner.
Have a bit more of a chill.
Oh yeah, just a chilled out evening. A bit more relaxed. But yeah. A bit more hotter here as well. The heat's ramped up at the moment. Let's keep going. I'm going to end the video here anyway, so guys, thanks for tuning in again anyway.
Yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. Have a great evening. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
And see you on the next one.